one thing strange. Mediums, they can come in this building all day long. They tell me they're a medium, they want to walk through, that's great, and I'm gonna walk through with them. I did not open my mouth during the home tour, they have to tell me. Now, there's one guy, look out here, come here, set up for a book signing, never been in here. Walks through this door, the first thing he does is grabs his throat. About a year later, had a lady do this ghost tour. She did not tell us she was a medium. Well, after the tour, she told the ghost host, "Ma'am, I'm a medium." Said, "You got a cowboy by the name of Joe Baker."
Do it again.
Wow. Just walks around. They're pretty well verified everything. Now, if you look up to your right and your left, that's your 14 bird cage crib. Had a curtain in the front, sliding door in the back, there's a hallway behind each set of cribs back here. And they've been a love seat inside. Have a latch on each side, they pull, let down into a smaller bed. They charge $25 a foot. The ladies only got $5. The rest is the house and the match. Okay, I'm glad you said what you said. You think about it like this.
Do it.
You cowboys and miners, maybe $3 to $4 a day for